In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot forms to WordPress pages and posts. To follow along smoothly, make sure you're already logged in to your HubSpot account and that you have access to the WordPress site where you want to add your forms. We'll start inside HubSpot, connect it to WordPress through the marketplace, and from there you'll be ready to place forms directly on your pages and posts. First, look along the top navigation bar in your HubSpot account and find the marketplace icon. This icon opens up HubSpot's app marketplace, which is where you can connect different tools and integrations to your HubSpot portal. Go ahead and click the marketplace icon to open the marketplace view. Once the marketplace opens, you'll see different categories and featured integrations. What you want here is the HubSpot marketplace section itself. Click on HubSpot Marketplace so you're taken to the main marketplace screen where you can search for specific apps. At the top of this page, you should see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word WordPress. This search will bring up the official HubSpot and WordPress integration, which is what allows your forms, contacts, and other HubSpot tools to work directly inside your WordPress site. When the search results appear, look for the listing that corresponds to the WordPress integration. Once you find it, click on that listing to open its details page. This page usually includes a description, screenshots, and an overview of what the integration does. It can be helpful to skim this information so you know exactly how it will interact with your website and forms, but you don't need to change anything here right now. On this same listing page, you'll see an install button. Click on install to start connecting HubSpot with your WordPress site. Depending on your setup, HubSpot may ask you to confirm the account or choose which portal you want to install the app to, so just make sure you pick the correct one. After you click install, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. These prompts will guide you through authorizing the connection between HubSpot and your WordPress site. You may be asked to log into WordPress, confirm permissions, or complete a brief setup wizard. Simply read each screen and continue until the installation process is finished. Once you've completed these prompts, the integration will be active. From there, you'll be able to add HubSpot forms to your WordPress pages and posts using the tools provided by the integration, without needing to copy and paste code manually.